Can home inspectors recommend contractors? Home inspectors must navigate ethical and legal boundaries when discussing repairs. While they assess a property's condition, they typically do not endorse specific contractors. Key considerations: industry standards. ASHI and INTERNACHI discourage endorsements to maintain impartiality. Local laws. Some states prohibit referrals, while others allow them under strict guidelines. Company policies. Inspectors may provide vetted lists with disclaimers. To stay professional, inspectors should remain neutral, provide multiple options if asked, and avoid financial incentives. Homeowners should research and vet contractors independently,